The ADU drywall is done. So yeah, now that the drywallers are out of the way, I can start getting to work on this stuff. I've got priming and painting to do inside the ADU here, and I'm gonna start putting that shower pan in. All right, the basement looks really uniform, which is nice. I'm really happy with this. And down here, I'm just gonna leave that primed. You know, this white is good enough for a basement garage space. And it doesn't need really any paint down here. We'll work on paint after the prime on the rest of the building. Painting. I've got a coat of primer on everything, and then a heavier coat of paint on all the walls. We've also got, in some areas like the hallway down there, long walls, I put about 2 coats on just because I needed to hide some more of the inconsistencies that you might see in a long wall with the sun shining on it. So now I'm just taking down plastic. next video will be on installing HydroBlock shower pan and shower surround. It's a really quick and easy system. It's the first time I've used it. It's great.